Make your shopping list ready quickly using ListNow. Click on More button in any of the 4 categories. Select subcategory. Select the item which you want to add in your shopping list. Just tap on the item, click Save and it will get added to your list. Now, simply go back to see your shopping list. Yay! My shopping list is ready. After making shopping list ready at home, I can go to shop. Once I buy the item, I will click on it. It will get added to my basket. After buying all items, clear the list and it's done. Download the app now from the link in description.